get to 47? How did you get 47? From which one? From 14? That would make sense. If it was from 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's up there. That's up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you averaged it. You're fine. Yes, Amara.
How can that big of a number is, like, I understand that it's like the absolute deviation or whatever.
Right.
But aren't you supposed to take that and minus, like, subtract all of those and then divide that by 9?
That's what she did. She found without, she found 60 minus 52 is 8. 52 minus 50 is 2.
No.
That's how you're
That's not
supposed
how
to.
you taught us. That's not how you taught us. Yep.
So it doesn't matter how, Amar, this is how you do it. You find the
But then
difference
the other
between
one,
the
they not
numbers.
subtract, like, negative this. How you get negative this? And that's how
Because it's the absolute value. It always must be a positive number. Thank you.
I just said that one. Two, in the other ones it was negative, so how in the other ones it's negative? And I know that it's turned positive, but in the other ones it was like on the calculator it was negative. How on the calculator is that positive? That makes no sense. Exactly. Big numbers. It makes no sense that that thing.
Amar, I'm
is
actually going to cut you off because you're on the borderline of being pretty disrespectful in
Oh.
your tone. So I'm just going to explain it. I'm just going to explain it a little bit to you. Because I think you're just frustrated about it, so I'm just going to explain it. Okay? So all of these numbers, Destiny, Isaac, so all of these numbers, Amara, I do need a voice check from everyone. I do need all voices off so I can explain the math, because you will need to know how to do this. Pushing all the way. So Amara, whatever your mean is, you find the difference. Whether it's a greater number or a lesser number, you find the difference between the mean and the number. You write it here. Amara, I'm explaining this for you. And then you average all of the numbers to get your mad value. Mean absolute deviation. Yes, Marcus. No. Chanel.
Why not?
He just ripped him out.
Ooh, he broke it again.
Whoa, I understand it.
What?
I understand it.
Yes, Chanel, do you have a question that you'd like to ask?
Did you say blue?
You know,
No, what happened?
So Zayal, that is going to be a major for disruption. I'm trying to bring everyone back and you're being disruptive.
I'm looking. I understand. I understand.
Okay, Emery, we have one last calculation that we have to do.
The market
To actually find if those two pieces of information are statistically different, we need to find the difference in the sample means. Nerland, Zayal, it is a loss of 2. You need to stop looking at your eyes need to be up
No,
front.
first of all, I think you did it all wrong. First of all, hold that together. First of all,
Demar, can you please tell me the difference between the sample means? The difference in the means of the two values. So right now, everyone except for Tasman, Amar, and Chanel have permission to take out a book and read silently, because those three are the the only people right now who are showing me and Jessica that they actually want to learn what we're doing today.
They don't even want
So everyone, if you just don't want to do this anymore, you can take out a book and that's fine with me. I'd rather just teach the people who would like to learn this.
Well, I need to feel the pain. Pain.
Thank you, Lucas. Thank you, Jeremy. So you're silently either reading or tracking the board. It's a loss of 2 and you need to be silent.
Oh my God, forget
Yeah, right.
That's what my mom did when I had
Thank you, Jasmine. What is the difference in the means? So right now your voice is off. You're either reading a book or you're tracking the board. Those are your 2 options, so you better choose one of them.
Oh.
Silently.
Well, you got one? Alright.
Kasman, our last calculation we have to do to really tell us if these 2 sets of data are different or similar is do this last thing. What's the difference in the 2 means of the samples? Your voice is either off. Your voice is off either way because you're reading silently or you're tracking the board. The difference, yes, the difference is 5. So then up here in Tasman, it tells us we have to determine how many mean average deviations separate our 2 samples. Lucia, it's the last of 2 for total. So we need to do this calculation up here, which is the difference in sample means, which Tasman just told us, divided by the value of the larger MAD. Which is that? So lost 2 share from the restaurant. Which is the larger MAD out of the 2 of them? Go ahead and calculate that and tell me what you get. When you divide that, try one more time. That should be a very small number. 5 divided by 18. Yep. For infinity, keeps going. Okay. So that is our number of sample MADs. Our MADs that separate the sample mean. Chanel, will you please read for us number 4 so we can determine if these are different or not? You need to keep things silent. We did, because we compared these 2. We found the difference. We're dividing by the larger one. It just happens to be the same. You need to be reading silently. Right, so if this value that we got, Tasman and Chanel, if this value that we got by doing this calculation was greater than 2, then there would be a statistical difference. Those values would be different enough that they'd be different. Is this greater than 2? So what does that mean? They're not different. There's no difference. They're actually very similar sets of data. There's not a statistical difference. Between the sets of data. Lushira's team, you were given a very clear choice. You need to be silently tracking the board or read it. Randy, it's off. Between the sets of data. Because the number of MADs separating the sharp deduction. It's less than 2.
Just push it.
I'm just sitting on right now.
So what did we find overall, Tanisha? Were the two sets of data that we collected, were they different or were they similar? They were similar. Yep, using statistics, they were similar. Go ahead right now and work on the exit ticket together. Work on the exit ticket in pairs. Because it'll take you long to do all these calculations just with a new set of data. Shana, where are you going? What? Over where? No, Catherine's working with Aisha, you're working with Tanisha. Sit down there and you can come on with us. Nope. You may use the rest. That's just
Which is what I was trying to help her with in the beginning, but no, we didn't have to. Please don't give me the duck.
Again?
If somebody is telling you that's right, you should take a word for it.
Are you doing
Oh, blood. She a man. That's it. You ain't come on. We come up.
What?
I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna let you know right now. Tell me right now.
We're working on something, I have no. Huh? I don't know. Somebody
What the thing is.
But watch you try to be on. But watch you try to be on. He broke up the property, you know. She a man. I can even get that. She a man. She got a dick. I don't know.
Let's start with that first step.
probably a
You
costume.
need to find the math.
And playing it.
You find all the math. You find the math of both of them. Then you do this calculation. So find the math. I'm gonna watch you.
The whole time. It's a win.
You're being completely off task. You need to be communicating that part.
Bah! Bah! He was like, I got it.
Zion, this is how you not
Bah! Bah!
You need to grab your email seat and probably you need to find a different part.
This dude was like, bah! Bah! Bah!
You're earning a different.
Conversation, but
How many
oh my
men?
God.